Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Fluke 381 is probably one of the most versatile and innovative tools you can add to your electrical testing arsenal, offering a unique combination of a high-performance True-RMS clamp meter with a detachable remote display that allows you to get readings in hard-to-reach or hazardous locations without compromising safety or accuracy, making it an indispensable device for electricians and technicians who demand precision and convenience in their daily work. Number 5. Fluke 376FC Clamp Meter. Introducing the Fluke 376FC, a versatile clamp meter designed for your toughest jobs. It allows you to log and trend measurements, helping you pinpoint those tricky intermittent faults with ease. Stay safe by capturing measurements from outside the arc flash zone. Its Bluetooth connectivity seamlessly links to your Apple or Android devices. Transmit your results wirelessly in real time. The Fluke Connect Measurements app makes sharing and analyzing data simpler than ever. Easily log and trend your measurements to gain deeper insights. This tool helps you identify and resolve issues more efficiently. Never miss an intermittent fault again. Its advanced features allow for precise detection, saving you valuable time and effort. With wireless capabilities, you can transmit results effortlessly. Collaborate with your team by sharing data instantly through the Fluke Connect app. What we like. This device allows you to log and trend measurements, helping you pinpoint intermittent faults. It also captures measurements outside the arc flash zone with Bluetooth connectivity to your Apple or Android devices. If you need to remotely monitor and record electrical data for troubleshooting or predictive maintenance, this is the tool for you. What people say. The iFlex Rogowski current probes are awesome for working with anything in tight spaces. The Fluke Connect and data logging feature is once again awesome to monitor problematic circuits. The amp clamp is very useful, easy to use, very high quality. Number 4. Fluke 375FC Wireless Clamp Meter. Meet the Fluke 375FC, a revolutionary wireless clamp meter designed for modern professionals. It seamlessly connects to your smartphone, bringing advanced measurement capabilities right to your fingertips. Stay safe by reading measurements from a distance on your phone. This allows you to reduce the need for personal protective equipment, as the device handles the hazardous tasks. Forget manual note-taking. You can now record your results directly to your smartphone and the cloud, ensuring accurate and accessible data for every job. It offers robust 600A AC and DC current measurement capabilities. This makes it a reliable tool for a wide range of electrical applications. Need to measure even higher currents? With the optional iFlex flexible current probe, you can extend its capability to measure up to 2500 A AC current. This clamp meter is part of the Fluke Connect measurement system. It allows for easy integration and data sharing across your devices. What we like. You can connect your meter to your smartphone with Fluke Connect measurements, allowing you to read measurements on your phone at a safe distance. If you are looking for a way to reduce your exposure to hazardous environments while still getting accurate readings, this clamp meter is an excellent choice. What people say. The Fluke 381 is more accurate and functional than any other meter I have ever owned. The Fluke Connect app is practical. You can hang the clamp on a wire and then walk into another room to turn something on, off, etc. Also, you can use it to turn the breaker off to a circuit by leaving the meter attached to the circuit while you carry your phone into the other room with the panel. The app also lets you take screenshots and logs and share them with people. This meter shines with the ability to connect to your phone via Bluetooth. Using the Fluke app, you can easily set the meter up to record data and walk away. Then come back a week later and download all the data collected to your phone. Data can be viewed on your phone or email as a graph and Excel spreadsheets for analysis. Number 3. Fluke 179 and 323 True-RMS Combo Kit. Introducing the Industrial Thermometer Combo Kit. It's designed for comprehensive service needs. This kit features a full-featured digital multimeter with advanced troubleshooting functions. It includes probes and hooks for every task. Everything is conveniently packed in a sleek, durable carrying case. It's built to withstand tough environments. It is ideal for troubleshooting electrical and electronic systems. Get accurate readings with ease. It measures up to 1000 volts AC or DC. The clamp meter measures up to 400 amps AC. What we like. This is an industrial thermometer combo kit featuring a full-featured DMM with advanced electronic troubleshooting functions. If you are an industrial technician or maintenance professional who needs a versatile kit for electrical and electronic system troubleshooting, this combo kit provides all the essential tools in one convenient package. What people say. Unlike my other multimeters, this one feels rock solid when turning the selector switch. Fluke is the best in electrical test instruments. It works great. Keep in mind that is a Fluke, so the name carries some weight on the quality. That being said, this is the lower-end, basic, model with addition of the mAh reading on multimeter, so don't expect to have the fancy shock-absorbing drop case, and also it comes with one set of test leads only. No big deal when you are in the trades and use this in the daily. You should expect this, which in any case leads get replaced often when heavy use. Functionality is there and performance is yet to be rated, but as of now it works just fine. Number 2. Fluke A3001FC Wireless iFlex AC Current Module. Meet the Fluke A3001FC, a versatile wireless module designed for accurate AC current measurements. It's built to handle demanding tasks with ease. This device can measure AC current up to an impressive 2,500 amps. Its iFlex probe offers flexibility in reaching difficult measurement points. Experience True-RMS measurements for precise readings, even with complex AC waveforms. This ensures you get reliable data every time. Wirelessly transmit your measurements to Fluke Connect-enabled devices. This enhances your workflow and allows for remote monitoring. Use it as a standalone meter for quick checks, or integrate it into a larger Fluke Connect system for comprehensive data logging and analysis. With its logging function, you can record and save up to 65,000 readings. This makes it ideal for tracking trends and troubleshooting over time. What we like. This wireless module with a True-RMS current meter measures up to 2,500 amps AC and can wirelessly relay measurements to Fluke Connect-enabled master units. If you require high current measurement capabilities and the flexibility to use it as a standalone device or integrate it into a larger Fluke Connect system, this module offers great versatility. What people say. The device does hold a lot of data points. The battery life is pretty good on these units for something that is recording continuously for hours or even days. I think you can change the batteries in the unit without losing your data. Number 1. Fluke 902FC HVAC Clamp Meter. Introducing the Fluke 902FC HVAC Clamp Meter. It's designed for precise measurements in your daily tasks. It offers 200 microamp DC current measurements, perfect for accurately measuring flame rods. Get reliable readings every time. With an extended resistance range up to 60 kiloohms, it easily measures thermistors. This ensures you have the right data for HVAC diagnostics. Easily capture flue gas temperature with this versatile tool. It helps you assess system performance efficiently. Utilize Fluke Connect to wirelessly link your meter to your phone via Bluetooth. This allows you to get more done faster and safer. Experience True-RMS voltage and current measurements for accurate results, even on nonlinear signals. It provides dependable performance you can trust. What we like. This clamp meter offers 200 microamp DC current measurements for flame rod detection and an extended resistance range for thermistors. If you are an HVAC technician looking for a specialized tool that can handle specific measurements like flame rod current and thermistor resistance, this meter is designed to meet your needs. What people say. It's way more reliable and calibrated more accurately than my other meter and is my daily carry. The Bluetooth Connect feature is nice, it has come in useful a few times with measuring and recording amp draw for customers. Solid well-built meter, works consistently and has nice backlit screen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.